Absolutely superb. The energy is brilliant. Enjoy it.
Oh, absolutely. It's been a great couple of weeks. I'm actually going to miss the Tuesday and Thursday training sessions.
I think everyone's going to miss them doing the Tuesday and Thursday. It's a great piece of play without them. Okay. Nicola, where's your gang? Are they down there as well?
Half of the second kids are mine.
Half of the kids are yours. Now I'm seeing about 30 kids out there. What?
Well, fine.
Hands up, who's Nicola's kids? No, hands up in the back. Just here. 1, 2. Where the rest of you? You are not one of her kids. You're older than her. What? They're well putting their hands up now. Okay, that was brilliant. I really, really enjoyed it. The energy on the stage there was sensational. Shawnee, the birthday boy. Come over here. Come on, out the front. I have been asked.
Can we sing happy birthday to him? Can we sing it?
Happy birthday. I have been asked. Not me, but your son-in-law. He's going to serenade you. Come on, here we go. Come on. Scissor hands is up.
We'll all do it. Come on, Paul.
You want to do it?
Come on, Paul.
Yeah!
You want
Come on,
to
lady.
sing about the singing is then?
Sing it in Welsh!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sean. Happy birthday to you.
Superb. He's a great sport. He's a brilliant sport. Thanks so much. Okay, judges, we're coming over to you. Nikki, what you reckon?
Well, what a great way to open the second half of the show.
Absolutely.
When they heard they were opening up in the second half, just after the other kids. But these have trained their asses off in the last 6 weeks.
Yes, they have!
He made them pants himself.
Yeah!
It's like something out of Morgan Lindy.
I know Paul's wife, Paula. Where are you, Paula?
She's here!
Are you proud of him?
Very proud, very proud. He's a ledge.
The timing was there. He took correction and direction really well in the studio. My assistant Ryan worked with these, and just a great way to open the show. Well done.
He's just like an audience for Paul. Stephen, what you reckon? First out of the box, off the plate.
Well done. Nicola, I didn't know you had been a fair play on it. Paul, I have to say, I had a pair of trousers like that once, but my wife sent them back to the altar, and got sorted out for me. So, you know, I can give you a number later on, and, you know.
Sorry, stop.
The gusses is a bit...
You've got shades on you, you've got trousers like, and he's something to tell us. I love him, he's brilliant. Come on.
Well done, no, fantastic. Great opening to the second half, well done.
Okay, last one up. Ria, what do you think?
Absolutely brilliant, and I love your outfits, and you just look so at home on that stage. You're amazing. You actually look like professional dancers. You dance like professional dancers. You must be professional dancers.
Will the scores reflect the words? Okay. First out of the box. Doing hip hop. Nikki, what do you got for me? Step on. 10. Hold tight, kids. Up the front. What you reckon? 10. Turn the card. 10. Superb. Maximum score from the floor. Maximum score. Brilliant stuff, guys. Well done. Now, that's well and good.